Hello dear friends, our Russian Lexis, and today we learn plants in Russian. Plant – растение, растение. So let's start. Tree – дерево, дерево. Plural form – деревья, деревья. So what trees do you know? Birch, Russian tree, береза, береза. Oak, дуб, дуб. Fir tree or Christmas tree, we name it like this. Ель, ель or елка, елка. Palm, пальма, пальма. And please write more trees in comments. And then parts of tree. Root, корень, корень. Branch, ветка, ветка. Leaf, лист, лист. And plural form, листья, листья. And this is cone, шишка, шишка. Bush, куст, куст. Grass, трава, трава. Mushroom, гриб, гриб. And flower, цветок, цветок. Plural form, цветы, цветы. That's all for plants, and I'll tell you different flowers in the next video. See you. Bye.